Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi here for PrincetonTrader.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so what did we see yesterday? We had a really boring morning, incredibly flat into the Fed. We popped up as high as 55.75, and the bulls made two runs at that 1556 level. They moved through 53, which was big. But they could not do 56, and they have not challenged that level overnight. So right now, I do have an overnight short on. My stop is at 1556. I took some partial profits on it yesterday when we dipped back below 1550 on one of the shakeouts near the close. But right now, I'm just holding. I've got a pretty tight stop on. My entry was up in the 52 area, and I'm just kind of going to wait and see if this thing can roll over. Here's the issue, and to me today is a very important day. Today is an excellent opportunity for the bulls to go make new highs. For the last three sessions, we've made successive. The lows of the day have been successively higher. That hasn't been challenged. That's bullish. The middle band has held. That's bullish. Okay. On the bearish side, they did not make new highs yesterday. After the bulls' biggest catalyst, member Bernanke, gets on there and basically says nothing to dissuade anybody from buying. There wasn't a syllable of negative in that entire statement or in that press conference. I mean, if you read between the lines, if you watched it, there's nothing to indicate they're going to put the brakes on anytime soon. So the punch bowl's there, it's full, and they've got kegs in the back, and they're going to keep filling it up. Despite that, we didn't make new highs. So that's not necessarily a negative reaction to positive news, but it's pretty close, and that's bearish. So each side today has an opportunity to press their case. The bulls have a much easier case to make. They only need to move up 10 handles to make new highs. Whereas if the bears really want to roll it over, they have to take out the previous day's low, which would be a breach of the 36.5 level. That would be about a 12 handle move. Not out of the question. But the issue becomes, if they do that, can they keep it down there, or is it just going to be another dip to buy? Lately, it's just been a dip. Buy it. So the bears will have to change that dynamic. The dip buyers have no fear. There's no reason for them to have any fear. They don't get hurt. They can take 24 to the forehead from Cyprus overnight and still end up, even or better 24 hours later. That's not going to instill fear in the dip buyers. So the bears have a big task, and the ability to keep it under yesterday's high and under the 58.75 for a couple of days may let them start to chop away at some of these support levels. Pivot-wise, you've got basically a triple pivot zone from 1547 to 1544.75. So that's kind of a win. If you win that zone, you can win the day kind of a deal. From 47 to 44.75, those pivots are up on the website. The 20-day pivot is down at 29.83. That's the Monday lows. That's a big ask. And 58.75 can't stay the high for long. If you're a bull, you need to take that out and go to work on 63, 68, 73. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi for PrincetonTrader.com. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.